Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I just wanted to show you my grow out area for my Sarracenia seedlings and yeah, talk about how we're going to expand this as well. So let's just get started on this. We are in my propagation room here, and we're just gonna be hanging out in this little area. If you're just joining us, I just moved into this property and just set this up a month ago, so everything's in the works. But this table was already here. It was great. I was able to put my Sarracenia seedlings on this table. And since then, I have been working on repotting a lot of them, getting them into pots of about 8 seedlings per 4-inch pot. Stuff is coming along very nicely. Some Flava rubricorporas. This one lost its lid, but beautiful. Was a beautiful leucophila. Another nice leucophila down there. Look at this. That one's a beauty right there. That guy's got a green tag on. The green tag is a keeper. Lots of purpureas, different subspecies of purpureas, stuff like that. Some things in desperate need of repotting still, so bear with me with that. As I say, I'm trying to get everything. If it's a smaller seedling like this, I'm trying to get it into like a 10 per pot. If it's a bigger seedling, I'm trying to get it into 6 or 8 per pot. Some of them are down to like 1 per pot here. And that's kind of nice. So if they've also flopped over, it's because they're just being repotted like in the last few days sort of thing. Lots of cool seedlings in the middle here. These are my most recent sowings. So these were sowed this winter. So I mean, they started germinating probably in December, January. So they're like 3 months old. Some pretty cool stuff. Some Wakama, Podymousaurus, Leo Wilkinson cross Hurricane Creek, Red Viper cross Black Widow, some more Atropurpurea, rubricorporas, all kinds of cool stuff in the works here. Getting out of the newest seedlings back into more here. There's mixed, and again they look all messy because I just repotted so many of them. You can tell if they've been repotted because you can see the perlite is nice and fresh on them, as opposed to kind of looking like those ones with a little bit more moss growing on them. But yeah, another nice leucophila here. Really nice one here. Look at this one. I'm not forgetting what the best way to see that guy is. Very white lip on that. Very nice. Those guys are Leucophila, Baldwin County. What else do we got? Going in here, getting to some Rugelii, Jonesii. Some of my own crosses down here are just crazy. I know I said I was going to put 10 per pot, but there was just like 100 in one pot, so I divided up into like 4 pots. Just for the time being. I couldn't spend that much time on one pot of seedlings just yet. More stuff coming around down here. Some leucophilas. A lot of these ones are a little bit smaller because they were so crammed into pots. I'm really hoping now that I've got them about 8 per pot, they're really going to start to grow again nicely. That's a beautiful leucophila there. Different one here. What are we looking at here? That is Hurricane Creek White. Definitely going to be nice plants. And yeah, so a few more of the same. Down to the most recent. So I don't know if you've noticed here, but about here, we transitioned off to a different table. About here was my old Sarracenia section. So that is how much I had before. And I haven't done any extra sowing, I've just done repotting. So by repotting, I've added 1, 2, ran out of room, 3, 4, 5 new trays, just spreading stuff out. That's kind of what I've been doing. There's a nice one back here. Guys, pretty cool. So anyways, that's what I've been doing, is just like in my spare time, take a pot of Sarracenia, repot into lighter, so it's, you know, they're all spread out like this sort of thing if I can possibly help it. Out of room here, and then boom, this is a 16-foot stretch from there. I'm pointing right now, you couldn't see it because it's below the camera, to that greenhouse there. And I was going to add another 4-foot table or remove this glass table and make another 8-foot section just like this one to have 16 feet in total. And then it dawned on me I have these shelves. So this shelf is a 4-foot shelf. If I use the bottom, 2 middle, and just to here, not up high because obviously you can't see anything, those 4 shelves equal another 16 feet. So in total, I could have had 16 feet of wooden shelves. Or I'm going to eventually start subbing out these ones. Another one will easily go here because this is a removable table. But I've just decided that this wooden shelf is going to go eventually. And it will all be replaced with these metal racks. And each one of these has 16 feet linear of space on it. That would replace like this full length. So it will eventually become, what you're looking at right now is actually only 12 feet of space I've taken up. 16 with the new shelf, but each one of these is going to be 16 feet. So I'll have 64 feet of space for Sarracenia or whatever I need to grow out. And yeah, so the first month here, these guys have been doing pretty good. I really have been disturbing them quite a bit, but they're starting to throw out some nice new pictures, given they have a bit more space and aren't like so crowded together. But anyways, that is just my Sarracenia update. One other note for now, the lighting is a little bit on the weak side on these guys. I'm not so worried about like bright colors at this point. I'm just trying to like kind of get by, so to speak. I put these lights up just because they were quick and easy. I do have tons of LEDs to play around with, and who knows what I have dozens of LEDs that I could hang here, but I'm also trying to I don't know, give them just some open air space and not have them too bright. Nice thing about these windows is that's face south. You can see the greenhouse out the window now, so that's kind of complete. Goes the length of outside, so it's all the way down there as well. But the sun comes in these windows from above the greenhouse, and these guys on a sunny day are in direct sunlight for like the entire day. It's awesome. So they're getting some direct sunlight for the winter, or for the summer anyways. But yeah. So there is my 16 feet of Sarracenia space, which I'm going to eventually turn into 64 feet of Sarracenia space just for the seedlings that need to be spread out and grown out. Bunch more stuff is stratifying in the fridge already. I have a bunch of stuff flowering out in the yard, in the pasture, whatever you want to call it, the meadow. But so we'll be making some more seeds, and there'll be lots of Sarracenias coming up soon. So I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see updates on the Sarracenia, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.